Hello, it's Bonnie from Everything Country CA. And today I just want to show you an antique wicker chair that I was able to find on the marketplace. This chair is actually probably around the 1930s style of chair or made in 1930s era, and is definitely antique or close to antique. It does match the other wicker chair that I have quite well, and I had been looking for another one that might match that and be in good condition. So I was happy to get it. I paid $30, and that's a good steal or a real steal for an antique wicker chair. So I will probably spray paint it and give my other one another coat of spray white paint eventually. But I just love the look of it as it is right now and looks very vintage. So I hope you like how I styled it, and here it is. I hope you like this video, and if you'd like to leave a comment or like and subscribe to my channel, that would be great. See you again soon.